Hey gang, Puppy here. This is Caffeine BS for July 31st, 2019. I missed Emma's live stream because I was just not able to stay awake. Otherwise I would have talked to her last night. I'm sorry, Emma. I tried, but I got pumpkinized. You know, 63 years old and it's hot. I'm actually doing stuff now, so I can get tired. So I turned into a pumpkin before you came on. Sorry. I gotta get out in the shop tonight and do some hold parts in place thought exercise on the last of the 3 axes of my DRO install on my Shearline milling machine. I've got the longitudinal axis mounted, working, demonstrated. Vertical axis mounted, demonstrated. Posted even. Now the saddle in out from the column. I'm not going to have to make a bracket for the sensor unit. It's how I'm going to put the little vice screw to hold it in place, because I'm going to put some kind of screw to come down off of that aluminum block of the vertical column. A little piece of metal to spread out the force of the screw. Yeah. And as for the beam, there's a convenient 1032 on the back of the saddle. For me, it's this side, right? Hand wheel for the tables over here. Anyway, there's a convenient 1032. I can run a stud in there. Whatever bracket I make, a nut, and I just gotta go through the end of the beam. I might get cutesy pie and do it with a 080. Yeah, that's possible.